Hey guys, it's Mary, and I just received my Spellbinders Everything Club kit. Seems like everything's very slow shipping, not just with them, but just in general. Excuse me. But it finally came, so let's dig in and see what we got. So first up, we've got the Glimmer of the Month. Now, I was on vacation in the middle of the Pacific Ocean when they showed the different components of the May month. So I didn't realize until after I got home that it was all pretty much a party theme, which in retrospect, I don't really didn't need, because I have so much birthday stuff, and it seems like they all talk to each other, and it's like, hey, let's do a birthday this month, or let's do, because this is not the only birthday I got this month. So, but there are some pieces in here that I really, really like. So, starting off with the cool glimmer foil this month that is called Rainbow Confetti. I just love that. And then we've got the glimmer itself makes a balloon, but it has all these, look at how cute that is. It will make a, shaker card, but it's got all these different sayings. This one says make a wish. Let me see if they're easy here to, no, okay. So it says make a wish. It's your day. And then happy birthday. All in glimmer, which I do not have, in the foiling system. So for that, I'm excited about that. So, all right, so that's the glimmer. And then the stamp and die of the month. Oh, look, it's a birthday thing. Today is all about you. Make a wish. Hip hip hurrah. This is a cute little one piece, do a card. It's got balloons, cupcakes, banners, party hats, little floral. And then it's got the die cuts to go with it. And this one's called All About You Wishes. And then the stitched card front is also balloons. And I think even if you didn't do the stitching, I think this would be cool. Just with different colors, and then you can add like a little bit of stickles or something in the holes. So, but I don't know if you can see very well, but see how they have all the balloons stitched? So, I think that'll be cool. And then the small die of the month is flyby greetings that say hip hip hurrah, you did it, and happy birthday. So it's not just birthday, because it can be, congratulations for graduating, or, anything that you're celebrating. And I do love the little, I think that's a biplane. It's so cute, and it's so retro. So I do love that. And then the large die is balloons and birthday wishes. This is wishes to you, happy birthday, sending, and enclosed. I think it says. Oh yeah, birthday wishes enclosed. So you can make the banner and then put your birthday wishes enclosed on top, and then they've used the little balloons and the stems. And there's flowers. There's always flowers. There's the balloons. There's the stems. So it's a cute one too. So the regular embossing folder is, I don't know if you can see that very well, candles. It says candles for every birthday. So that's cool. I don't have anything like that, so that's a plus right there. It'd make a nice background. And then the 3D embossing folder is called Balloons and Banners, which I think this would be pretty awesome with all the details. I think that would be so cool. So I don't have nothing like that, so I'm happy with all those too. And then the card kit of the month is called Spreading Happiness. And, you know, it has the card bases, it has the envelopes, it has the foam squares, the foam tape. And let's see. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at these. Oh, they're like cupcake sprinkles with clear, shiny, whatever those are called. What are they? There's little pieces and then the little sequins, clear sequins. Oh, that is so pretty. So let's take a look. All right, so those are our cards and our envelopes. I do wish instead of 8, it would come with 12 cards and envelopes, but that's just me because it's a nice, I usually have at least 12 cards if I'm sending these to the seniors. I usually need at least 12, so let's see what the paper looks like. This is the card panels. So we've got light blue, navy blue, green. What else do we have? More green, peachy pink, and white. So that's the color. Card panels. And let's dig everything else out. Take a look. It's all stuck. Hold on. There we go. All right. So the card shows, it's just called Spreading Happiness, and it's just some cute things. There's some little frogs, look like the Princess and the Frog. Little flowers, hearts, little birdies. Just all kind of cute things. And then it's giving you an example how to build a card. And then what do we got? We've got Not sure what they call those. Let me see, what does it say? Puffy ampersand stickers. These are chipboard embellishments. These are puffy sentiments. Oh, so lovely, smile today. Hello, cutie. You are loved, so thankful for you. Happy times, never forget this. So there's a nice, oh, hello there. That's a nice little assortment. And then we've got an assortment of flowers and banners and arrows, and the frogs are in here too. Just all kinds of different things. And then, so let's look at the paper. All right, so this is kind of a, I don't know, light turquoise, light teal, no, turquoise, I don't know. But it's got just little things all over it. It's got a swan, a rainbow, kind of like a fairy tale thing, a frog, a castle, flowers, butterfly. This would be really cute for like a little baby shower or a little girl's card. And then we've got kites. Life is happy, life is fun. Little dragonflies, plaid, little flowers, wood, little trees, little frogs, those are cute. Little patterns, little flowers, stripes, rainbows. Oh, this one's cute. And then, oh look, we've got little, I don't know if you can see, but there's like little gold, little crosses too. Oh, same thing with this one here. So cute. So that's a nice little assortment. Nice little assortment. So anyway, so that's it. The May Everything kit. So I'm not sad about it. It's a good one, and there, like I said, there's lots of pieces that I can use that I don't have sentiments and things. So anyway, so that's it. So let me know if you subscribe to any of their monthly kits, or if you subscribe to the Everything. I'm getting to the point now where I'm, I can make a decision what I want to do. Like I had said when I first joined, that I was going to try it for a few months, decide whether it was worth keeping or letting that one go and trying something else. So I think I'm almost to that point where I might be ready to make a decision on whether I want to continue for a little bit longer or not, or maybe instead of the Everything, just do a couple of the different ones. So we'll see. We will see. So let me know if you subscribe to this one or any of them and how you like them. Leave a comment. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. You can hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the bell, it will send you a notification when there's a new video that you can watch. And the like button. If you like a video, no matter whose channel it is, please hit the like button, especially if it's a small channel like mine, because it really helps to get some, momentum going, that the other big players get. So it helps the little ones a lot. All right, so that's it. So until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.